worms, their digestive system works on this Bacillus bacteria, and when they excrete the vermicast, the Bacillus is taken up by the grass grub and it just blows them to bits, kills them. And we discovered it by accident. We fenced the paddock in half that had come out of pine trees. Year 4, it was absolutely decimated with grass grub. Put a fence down the middle to put it into 2 paddocks, got some vermicast on it, and then we had really rotten weather for a week, 10 days, went back, and where we'd put the vermicast, the grass grub were all dead and the grass was growing again, and on the other side of the fence, like a metre inside, the grass grub was still there in their thousands. It was absolutely amazing.